Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to fix unusual activity on your account of Amazon Prime. Okay, the first step you're going to do is click this button called singing, and you can see this problem appears. Okay, once you see uh, this page right here, you're going to go to this page and you're going to click this button called start your free trial. Okay, once you click right here, this will appear, and the button will guide us to this page where we can log in again. uh, but we're going to use the this 7 days free trial to uh, open our account again, and we're going to click right here, and there you go. If this video was helpful, please comment and subscribe.